Welcome back to Loan Wealth Academy. If you're watching this, you've probably felt the sting of a loan rejection. Maybe you've been told your credit score is too low, or perhaps you're tired of being offered predatory interest rates of 25% or higher just because your score is in the 500s. In 2026, the financial landscape has changed. The old tricks from 2020 or 2022 don't work anymore. Banks are using advanced AI models, trended data, and new scoring systems like FICO 10T. But here is the good news. I have cracked the code for the 2026 system. Today, I'm giving you the most comprehensive 2,000-word roadmap ever released on this channel. We aren't just going to fix your credit. We are going to optimize it so that banks compete to give you money at the lowest possible rates. Grab a notebook, turn off distractions, and let's build your wealth. Before we dive into the how, we must understand the why. In 2026, the two biggest players are FICO and VantageScore, but they've evolved. 1. Trended data, the 24-month window. In the past, your score was a snapshot of today. Now, lenders look at your trend. Are you paying off more debt than you're taking on? If the AI sees that your balances are slowly creeping up every month for the last 2 years, your score will drop, even if you pay on time. 2. The rise of alternative data. Credit bureaus now look at things they used to ignore: your rent, your utility bills, and even your streaming subscriptions. If you aren't reporting these, you are leaving free points on the table. 3. AI risk scoring. Lenders now use machine learning to predict if you'll default. One maxed out credit card, even if paid off the next day, can trigger a risk flag. I'm going to show you how to avoid these AI traps. You need a higher score now because you have a loan application coming up. Here is the rapid response plan. Step 1. The micropayment cycle, the 7-day rule. Most people pay their credit card once a month. This is a mistake. Your statement closing date is when the bank reports your balance to the bureau. If you spent $900 on a $1,000 limit, it looks like you are 90% utilized. The strategy? Pay your bill every Friday. This keeps your average daily balance low, and when the bureau snaps that photo of your account, it will show 5% or 10% usage, instantly boosting your score by 30 to 50 points. Step 2. The 2026 Credit Boost integration. Don't just use Experian Boost. In 2026, you need to link your bank account to services like Ultra FICO and rent reporting agencies. If you've paid $2,000 in rent every month for 2 years and that's not on your credit report, you are losing. I'll show you the top 3 apps to bridge this gap. Step 3. The Authorized User Piggyback. This is the fastest way to gain 100 points. Find a family member with a high limit card, $10,000 plus, that they've had for over 10 years with 0% late payments. If they add you as an authorized user, their 10 years of perfect history becomes your history. You don't even need the physical card. You just need their data on your report. Now we get to the heavy lifting, removing the negative items: late payments, collections, and charge-offs. The audit. Go to annualcreditreport.com. It's free. Look for ghost debt. These are old accounts that should have fallen off after 7 years, but are still there. Look for incorrect high balances. The 2026 dispute method. Stop using template letters you find on Google. AI filters at the credit bureaus now flag form letters and reject them automatically. The secret? Use the factual dispute method. Instead of saying, "This isn't mine," say, "The date of last activity on this account is mathematically impossible according to my records. Please provide the original contract or delete." Handling collections. Never pay a collection agency without a pay-for-delete agreement in writing. If you just pay them, the collections stay on your report for 7 years, just marked as paid. It still hurts your score. You must negotiate to have it removed entirely in exchange for payment. A clean report is a thin report. You need weight. Lenders want to see that you can handle different types of money. 1. Secured credit cards, the training wheels. If no one will give you a card, get a secured card where you deposit $200. In 2026, look for cards that graduate to unsecured in 6 months. 2. Credit builder loans. These are brilliant. You borrow $1,000, but the bank holds it in a savings account. You pay $50 a month. They report every payment to the bureaus. At the end of the year, you get your $1,000 back and you have 12 months of perfect installment loan history. 3. The 10% utilization rule. Everyone says stay under 30%. In 2026, the elite, the 800 Club members, stay under 10%. If your limit is $1,000, never let that statement close with a balance over $100. This is the single biggest factor in your credit health category. Let's look at John, a Loan Wealth Academy viewer. John had 2 collections for $500 each and 1 maxed out credit card. His score was 540. Month 1, he used the pay for delete strategy on 1 collection and disputed the other. He started paying his credit card every week. Result, plus 45 points. Month 2, he was added as an authorized user on his father's old card. Result, plus 80 points. Month 3, he opened a credit builder loan. Result, plus 45 points. Total jump, 170 points. He went from a 12% car loan to a 4.5% refinance. He is saving $200 a month just on interest. Repairing credit isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. But in 2026, we have faster shoes. To recap: 1. Monitor. Use apps to track your trended data. 2. Report. Get your rent and utilities on your file. 3. Optimize. Keep utilization under 10% and pay weekly. 4. Clean. Dispute errors using the factual method. If you found this masterclass helpful, I want you to do 2 things. First, comment below with your goal score. Is it 700, 750, 800? Write it down to make it real. Second, share this with one friend who is struggling with high-interest debt. At Loan Wealth Academy, our mission is to move you from borrower to investor. Don't let a 3-digit number stop your dreams. I'm your host, and I'll see you in the next deep dive. Hit that subscribe button, and let's get to work.